Anders Behring Breivik admitted to killing 77 people and wounding more than 200 at an island youth camp in Norway last year. And now he'll face the consequences. Here's International Business Times with the details.
A Norwegian court has sentenced the mass killer Anders Behring Breivik to 21 years in prison and declared him sane for killing 77 people and injuring 242 others.
And unlike other countries where the death penalty or life in prison is the maximum sentence for murder, in Norway this is the most severe sentence permitted by law. A professor at the University of Oslo tells the BBC the sentence is not fixed but can be prolonged.
You can be released if you have behaved well in prison. This means that he will have to stay 21 years in prison, and then it can be extended every 5 years, depending on whether he is found dangerous or not.
A senior reporter for The Telegraph said the victims and their families were relieved by the court's decision, as was Breivik himself. He feels being held accountable gives his cause legitimacy, and Breivik seemed delighted with the judgment, smiling as it was read. But the prosecution had pushed for a different ruling. They wanted Breivik to be found insane. Conflicting psychiatric reports early on made Breivik's sanity the key question of the trial. But an analyst for Sky News says his careful planning and calm behavior made the choice clear.
And I think it became increasingly untenable for the judges to see him in court, appear relatively coherent, to give his own testimony, and then continue to hold on to this notion that he was insane.
The BBC reports Breivik will serve his sentence at Oslo's high-security Ila prison, where he's been held in isolation since his arrest. And he'll be kept in isolation for the time being. For Newsy, I'm Nathan Byrne, multiple sources, The Real Story.